Welcome back for number 14. Here we are again, me and Tay Tay. Burning Legos now, son. Burning them down. Last time we got a lot done on top. Made this whole big deck. Yes, that stack's crooked. This time we're gonna be actually filling all this deck in, blah 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 blah, all that good stuff. So we're gonna get to it, and we'll talk to you at the end of it. Let you know, let you see the progress. Tyler, you look happy.
Progress.
As we're done with step 14. Means we got 4 more steps to go. We got the whole top deck, minus a little spot because it didn't have plates in there, but the whole top deck's done. So it's gonna be down to like the little nitpicking stuff.
How's that look? Ready to pump it up?
After this. So we'll see y'all on section 15 later.